Perfect fruit requires precise farming practices. Perfect fruit requires patience and care. Introducing Aerobotics products to measure, manage, and protect your yield. See your fruit structure in real time and build unique orchard-level yield growth curves that you can track. Let us be your eye in the sky to manage how irrigation impacts yield. With our technology, transpiration and health maps are generated, allowing you to pinpoint irrigation problems, saving you both time and precious resources. But most importantly, providing you with on-the-ground tools to help you take action. Dive into detected risk areas to diagnose issues and carry out the right interventions when and where it's needed the most. Protect your yields season after season and spend time in the field more efficiently by capturing data using your mobile phone. Create real-time reports on pest infestations and manage the impact this will have on your yield faster. Because, after all, we're for the growers of tomorrow who need to grow more with less and protect the planet for generations to come.